Hey everyone, welcome to my vlog. My name is Charlene Sales and I'm grade 12 student taking Computer System Servicing strand. I am a simple and hardworking person who enjoys spending time with my family and friends. So that guys, I want to share awareness with everyone about the importance of being safe and responsible online.
Hey guys! Our advocacy is think before you click. The goal is to raise awareness about cybersecurity and online safety. Every day, we use phones, computers, social media, but we also face risks such as scam, fake information, hacking, and suspicious link. Before clicking a link and sharing personal information or believing something online, we should stop and think. Always check the source, protect your password, use strong security settings, and avoid sharing private information with strangers. Cybersecurity is not only the responsibility of experts, it is everyone's responsibility. A simple moment of thinking before you click can help protect yourselves, your families, and your community. Remember, think before you click. Verify before you trust and stay safe online. Thank you.